Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Shopify Themer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install ADB tool on your Windows operating system. So this is Windows 10 and I'm just trying to check upgrade basically operating system on my Android device. So I need it. And here you go. So I'll quickly show you how you can install it. Simply launch your preferred Google browser, any browser, web browser, and Google for Android platform tools. Okay, most probably you'll get this from Google or Android developers website. So go ahead and select, just open it like this, and this is the page you should be on, and just select download SDK platform tools for Windows. Click on it, accept the terms and conditions, and you should download the tools. It is asking you to do not try retry ADB boot if first attempt failed. Okay, fix track devices and all that. So read everything here before you try it, because this keeps changing all the time. Okay, so once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open this in the folder. What I have done, I have unzipped it. So simply go ahead, and I've downloaded 3 of them. So I'll delete. Okay, let's delete these 2. Okay, now once you have the zip folder downloaded, right click on it and unzip it. So you can extract all, or if you have any software like 7-zip, just unzip it. And once you have unzipped it, you can rename this folder. So I'm going to rename it like ADB tools. Oops. Sorry, ADB tools 1, 2, whatever you want to give the name, and you want to move it to a different folder. A lot of people like to keep it. So I have here, you can see, so just paste wherever you wish to this particular folder from the downloads extracted folder, and then open this folder. Take the path of that particular folder where your adb.exe is, and then just take the path. You can copy it and then click on, you can close this, you can click on start menu and type variable, edit system environment variable. Click on this environment variables, select path either on the top or at the bottom, doesn't matter, and then click edit, add new, and then paste it like this. So add new, paste it, and save everything. So because I already have added, so I'll delete this one. Okay. Now you go ahead and relaunch your terminal, and now you can type ADB, and here you have. So ADB is installed. You can run ADB devices. Make sure your device is connected, and it should list device connected device. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening, my friend.